Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As you know, the PUBG mobile is launched in India. So in this video, we can see the Pixel can play PUBG or not in extreme frame rate. So here we hit the setting, graphics, and here are all graphic settings: smooth, PUBG, HD, Ultra HD, etc. I think in the smooth and balance you can play extreme frame rate. Otherwise, in other setting like ultra, you can't play. Ultra is not available, sorry. So we hit the smooth and extreme frame rate, so we can see how the gameplay looks like. Yeah, here can say in the smooth and extreme frame rate, I think there is no lag in the smooth and extreme frame rate setting. So yeah, that's all the purpose of this video, just to show you the Pixel 4 can play 4A can play the extreme frame rate in which setting. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.